everyone, so today we're back with my RC tanks, and as you may have noticed, this is stock. This is the remote control of the Tiger one, Heng Long, which has been a shelf queen since pre-pandemic. We need to remove these 4 screws first. Now that we have taken out the screws, we'll go ahead and separate it. And we just pull this one. Let us remove these 2 pins up here, the A and B. And we need to remove these 6 screws here. And now we just need to pull the board. And this is the start button. So this is the stick, and this is the joystick. Joystick feels smooth though, doesn't have any problem, so maybe there was just some binding or something. So now we'll just go ahead and assemble it again. It unstuck itself when we disassembled it. I guess that fixes our problem. And now we'll attach the joystick extension for both sides. And feels smooth, no binding at all. Okay, so now I'll just put this back together and we'll do some tests. Alright, everything seems to be working now.